Introducing the new CR2 Connect Defibrillator from Physio Control and First Aid Accident and Emergency. Revolutionising connected Wi-Fi defibrillators throughout Australia.
Verbindung im Gange. Connection established. Dispositiv prêt. Gerät einsatzbereit. Urządzenie gotowe. Enheten redo.
Introducing the brand new LIFEPAK CR2 Connect. Wi-Fi connectivity, linking workplaces, letting you know when pads and batteries are due to expire, and keeping your finger on the pulse.
Adult mode. Remove all clothing from patient's chest.
The CR2 Connect lets the owner of the device know when it is in use, allowing strategic management decisions to be made. Analysing through CPR, allowing a faster shock to be delivered.
Everyone clear. Do not touch patient. Delivering shock. Shock delivered. Resume chest compressions.
This device has the capability to be connected to emergency services, allowing them to respond accordingly to a cardiac event. When life counts and connectivity is important, the CR2 Connect is your defibrillator. The CR2 Connect from Physio Control is jam-packed full of features, dual languages, 8-year warranties, and is LIFEPAK tough.
Preparando descarga. Förbereder defibrillering.
Shock délivré.
Disco anlagt. Register.
Shock abgegeben.
Shock delivered.
First Aid Accident and Emergency has package deals right now on the CR2 Connect. Free delivery Australia-wide and backed up by an 8-year warranty.